morning students. Welcome back in your social science class. In our previous video, we have already discussed about the Panchayati Raj, the meaning of Panchayati Raj, importance of Panchayati Raj, and the Gram Sabha and functions, composition, and the importance of Gram Sabha and the source of income of Gram Sabha. Now today we will study about the importance of the village panchayats. Nyaya Panchayat need and importance, functions and judicial powers, and the block samiti, composition, functions of block samiti, and Jila Parishad, composition and functions, and last is achievements of Panchayati Raj. So students, we start with our first topic, importance of the village panchayat. The village panchayats help the villagers in solving their own problems. They teach them how to elect their representatives who would serve them better. In this way, the village panchayats give the first lesson in democracy. The villagers learn to compete with one another with solving their own problems. The panchayats teach the villagers self-help and not be over-dependent on the government. The panchayats reduce the burden of the government. The panchayats know the needs of their representatives, villages better, and the panchayats know the needs of the respective villages better and prefer schemes which are most beneficial for them. Their village panchayats form the basis of Panchayati Raj in our country. Now students, we talk about Nyaya Panchayat. Nyaya Panchayat and its importance. Nyaya means justice. The judicial system is also brought the village level so as to provide judicial. There is no need for hiring lawyers. Students, now we talk about the Nyaya Panchayat and its importance. Nyaya means justice. The judicial system is also brought to the village level so as to provide justice. There is no need for hiring lawyers. This helps save time and expenditures. The Nyaya Panchayat is formed by the Panchayat by the electing peoples from the village. What are the functions of Nyaya Panchayat? The functions of Nyaya Panchayat gives decisions on all minor cases that coming up to them. Now talk about judicial powers. What are the judicial powers of Nyaya Panchayat? It decides minor cases related to land, and property, disputes, etc. within its areas. Both the parties are required to appear before the panchayat to plead their cases. In criminal cases, the panchayat can only improve the fine, and normally the decision of the panchayat is final, but the appeal can be made for the court. Now students, we are going to talk about the block samiti, composition, functions, and block samiti. What is block samiti? The next level of government is at the block level. Number of villages combine together to form a block. They have difficult names in the different states. They may be known as the Panchayat Samiti, Block Samiti, Khand Samiti, and Kshatriya Samiti, etc. Now compositions of Block Samiti. The Sarpanch of the Gram Panchayat and the members of the Parliament MP and the members of Legislative Assemblies MLA, members of Legislative Council MLC who belongs to their block. They have some nominated members of the scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes. Block Development Officers of BDO. Now the functions of Block Samiti are, some functions of Block Samiti are as follows. It takes plans for the overall developments of the entire block. It tries to expert and the specialist in the various fields like agriculture and education and the science and with the help of people. It takes plans for the overall development of the entire block. It engages terms of expert and specialist in various fields like agriculture and science, health and education to help the people. It spares form functioning of the village panchayat and its project the requirement of funds to the state and the central government for the development activities. It drives the attention to the state and central government towards major problems faced by the people of their block if they are able to manage them. Now students, we talk about Jila Parishad composition and functions of Jila Parishad. Jila Parishad, Jila means district. This is the third level of Panchayati Raj system. It makes plans for the development of the entire district. It acts as a link between the block samiti and the state government. The Zilla Parishad has the following members. The composition of Zilla Parishad is MPs and MLAs as well the MLAs from the district and the chairperson of the municipal boards and representatives of scheduled caste and the scheduled tribes. The members elect a chairperson and the vice chairman among themselves who presides over their meeting. The district commissioner is the chief executive officer of the Jila Parishad. Now what are the functions of Jila Parishad? So the some functions of Jila Parishad are: the Jila Parishad preside and responsible for the overall supervision of the works in the district. They made development plans for the district. They informed and to forward their recommendations to the state government on the all matters regarding to development in the district. It supervises the and implements all the projects funded by the state and the central government. Now students, we are going to talk about the achievements of Panchayati Raj. Some achievements of Panchayati. The Panchayati Raj has many achievements to its credit. First is the Panchayati Raj system has thought about the political awakening in the rural areas and India. The Panchayati Raj has through the government choose to the people. The Panchayat have success in the improving the condition of their respective villages by taking up welfare activities, and the primary and adult schools run by the panchayats have spread literacy and the education among the rural peoples. So students, we understand these all topics well. I hope you understand it. So thank you so much.